Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? Both Sanders coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Inside,
Brand new banger.
inside.
But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps, we're gonna kick off the first video. Guys, and pretty much what happened is some people get robbed up a Rios hotel in Ochi, Rios. Alright, so I'm gonna play the audio when you listen up and make we hear what go on. This audio is provided by TVJ. Big up yourself, TVJ. I couldn't run the video, guys, because you know YouTube and them algorithm and all them thing there. But anyway, peeps, make we get right tonight now.
Meanwhile, the Santan police are investigating a series of robberies at the Rios Hotel in Ochi, Rios. This after reports earlier this week from guests that their belongings were taken from their rooms while they slept. Anthony Lugg reports.
What's the sense? What's the sense if you're not safe? My mother could have get the car and say me and my cousin dead. And them not look on the part there. It's like we're overreacting.
A guest at the Rios Hotel recounts her experience staying at the hotel recently. How it all unfolded remains a blur. She says she woke up to a ransacked room and some of her belongings were missing.
We can't tell what happened. We don't know if we were molested. We don't know if there's picture of us out there because we don't remember nothing of the night. We don't know if it's a case where, oh, they drugged us, they did something. We don't know. And then it's like they want to cover it up. Up to now, they haven't given us a good explanation.
And to make matters worse,
we're not the only one that got robbed last night, and the other neighbors don't even know what happened to them.
our news center spoke with one of those persons.
Like someone came into the room with me and my son and stole all of our, my bag, his wallet, all of my cash, my passport, my ID, my credit cards, my car keys, our phones, house keys, just everything that we have, like personal belongings.
If struggling with that was not already a task, the woman complained about how the hotel handled the matter.
They made it seem as if I was lying about what took place or I didn't know where my stuff was. They kept on saying, oh, they have to go search the room. But I told them we teared up the room like 3 times already. And I know I had my bag. Somebody was in my room. When I went into my room last night, I seen my son's cell phone on the bed. I seen his wallet on the dresser. And I put my cell phone on the nightstand on the charger.
When our news team visited the hotel, we observed this scene of crime van leaving the property. Police sources have also confirmed that several reports were made at the St. Anne's Bay police station and that investigations are being conducted. For those affected,
this could have went completely different, you know what I mean? Like, if me or my son or one of these ladies would have woke up in the middle of the night while somebody was in their room, like something else could have happened. You know what I mean? Somebody could have lost their life.
In the meantime, we contacted Director of Sales at Rio Jamaica, Nurka Garcia Linton, who told us to send our queries via email and the hotel would then respond. However, up to news time, we did not get a response. Anthony Lugg.
Something not right. Something is not right. What just happened? Something not right. But we could move on to the next video. We chat at the end of the video.
I don't want to waste your time. Oh girl, I mean survive.
Let me call you back.
I put my head on your shoulder.
Hi. Hey handsome. I like you and I want you.
Sorry?
I like you And I want
That's
you.
If you don't want me to get mad, make this get come off for here now.
Madam, please leave.
Really?
Madam, please leave. I don't want trouble.
Okay. Barrister Mike,
I don't know this girl from
I've told you if it's not AJ Global Ventures for crypto trading, I am not interested.
So wait, you think it's because of this your stupid Benz? I love my woman, nothing can change. See, if you don't understand me, listen to me. Read in between the line. I love my woman. I love my woman. No, stay behind. Nonsense. Because of what? I want his Benz. Because of all I love my woman and nothing can change that.
Slicker than even Swiper. Yeah, dirty boy. girl look good still.
Look at this dude.
Nothing, no lie, she look good. Alright peeps, here are my thoughts on the whole matter. Yo, something in a something. All of them thiefness and snatching of people things in a people room. I don't want to judge nobody, but that kinda seem very, very fishy. You know what I mean? Pause on that thought there. That kinda well suspicious still. You know what I mean? Cause the only way them can gain access to people's room are if them have the swipe card. The card, beep thing or the key. Who always have them stuff there? Either the people them work at the place or the guests. That is an inside job. Yeah, it have to be an inside job. And them bright too. Them very bright and feisty. You come in a people them room when them asleep and take out them stuff and nobody not hear something. That very, very fishy. And the people them terrified. What happened Jamaica? You know see a beer madness a go on. Jane, police them. Yeah man, a beer madness a go on Spanish Town. What else? So much place. Them walk going a people yard and just grab the woman bag and gone. And all them stuff there. Them man a beer face. Them man ain't afraid. Them man ain't afraid now. Again, you know. Them man ain't afraid. That rough. But all me I say about the whole matter is something in a something. Something in a something. Nobody can tell me say something in a something. That weird. That weird. That's the only way we can see it. Cause even the people them at the hotel or they have go around when authorities come there to come investigate the matter. And so, come on. This can cripple the economy tourist wise. You know, it's gonna affect tourism. Yep. And that's where most of Jamaican money come from. You know, this gonna make it out in a on the news now. We there so I even discuss it. You know what I mean? You know what that I gotta do? Hinder visitors. Big hotel like Rio. I have them issue here. Something is wrong. That is an inside job. Me no business when nobody wants it. That is an inside job. Smarty in there so have something to do with it. So you guess what? Screen the whole staff. Start question and investigate the whole staff. And even if them not use the pass them, or if it's a phone pan a app or a device, somebody let them in there. Cause Rio, you can't just go in a Rio so. And the security up the kind of tight still and them question people enough. And them thing there, you know? Something in a something. After be somebody from the inside are going at people them room. When you face thing, when no manners man. Somebody should not we not go in a wrong room here. Yeah man, when you lock up and I really hope the police catch you up and lock you up. The woman them scared, the people them scared. You know what I mean? Come on, Jamaica. Yo. Something have to happen. This well rough. This well rough Jamaica. If I know one thing, is another thing. Ah boy. But anyway, peeps, comment down below, make we chat and discuss what go on. Alright? And thank you very much for watching. And just go on journey with your boy. Big up on yourself. But keep the patter bubble up, alright? Yeah, man. But you know what, guys, in closing this, I did see another story come up about Asafa Powell and him must him first baby mother. Yeah, me never talk about that thing, but me never sure if you not like it and thing. But you know what I mean, the man I pretty much in baby mother I carry him go child's court and thing, and I say him supposed to pay she wants him to pay $25,000 child support every month. Man draw for your paper and say, yeah, paternity test right now, cause him not sure if I'm a youth that. You know. That's rapper crapper and I said the struggle is real. But anyway, peeps, let's go and journey with your boy. And thanks for watching. Y'all the greatest, man. Ah, shoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.